What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys are in for a treat. First and foremost, just want to say thank you guys for watching. For all my subscribers out there, thank you for liking, commenting, and thank you for your subscription. With that being said, as you can see from the title down below, it's time for the color reveal. It's been months in waiting. As you guys know, well, some of you guys know, previous episodes I did lay down my bike, and the only thing I've been trying to do now is just get it back up and running, and now it's up and running. Without further ado, let's get to this reveal. Would you just look at it? Just look at her in all her shining light. I kind of want to say this is behind the scenes, but it's not. Oh man, what a happy guy I am. First and foremost, I'm absolutely in love with the color. But we're gonna give you like a little brief rundown as to like what happened and how we came about the color scheme and blah 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 blah. So first, when I laid the bike down, I'll go ahead and take it. Yeah, pass me that, John. Right. So when I laid the bike down, Ben and I were kind of not at whims, but we were just indecisive on whether we should keep the bike or whether we should get another bike, blah 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 blah. So obviously we decided to keep it, right? So now we're like, okay, well, if we're gonna keep it and we have to do a complete overhaul, then obviously we're gonna go hard or go home, right?
Yeah, we went hard. And then we went home.
And after this video, we're gonna go home. Yep. And edit. Okay, so we were like, okay, well, then if we're gonna go hard or go home, what color are we gonna use? Obviously, we have to find a color that no one has ever done before. So that led us to this color right here, which you guys already saw in the reveal.
Yep, and we're not gonna tell you what the paint code is. You'll see it one day on something else driving down the road and be like, wow. Yep. And if you remember back to previous videos, we told you guys to comment something in the comment section. Only one person did, so shame on all of you.
Yep.
So that comment,
that's your fault.
Yeah, that's your fault. But that comment that you guys are supposed to comment is the smallest hint that we will give you to what the actual paint code is for what we did on the bike.
Yep. And it's funny because like so many people have seen it and then be like, oh my gosh, what is that color? Is that brown? Is it green? Is it something you'll never figure out? So good luck to you guys. Anyways, so that's the color that we decided to end up going with. With that being said, it took what, like at least a month and a half's worth of really just waiting, honestly.
Yeah, most of it was just waiting. We had the fairing kit, all the replacement parts.
Fairing kit got here in what, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks max?
2 weeks max.
2 weeks max.
Paint,
cool.
Everything. We had everything. Honestly, it was just waiting on other people, trying to find a painter who would be willing to do it, somebody who we could trust doing it, somebody who was good enough doing it. Thanks, Dan. You're the man. We appreciate you.
Yep. And you know what? We're gonna plug his Facebook down below again, just in case. That way, at least you guys can see what the end result is, the finished product is, and if you guys are in the Central Florida area and you guys want him to go ahead and touch up on your bike and spray it a little bit, Dan's the man to do it. So yeah, honestly, Dan got it back to us in about a week max, and I even helped to paint it a little bit, so we can cut to that.
The story you are about to hear is true. Only the names have been changed. Only the names have been changed. Here, only the names have been changed. story you are about to hear is true. Only the names have been changed.
All right. Well, I did some painting today. I did a lot of learning today. I don't even know where to start. Just super happy guy. A lot of these pieces came out really good. Most of them are finished. Turns out the pieces that I was painting in this video were basically the last pieces. So everything else is already done. That's about it. Dan taught me too much for one day. I'm literally gonna go home and be a professional painter now. So sorry, fuck what you guys thought.
It's back, baby.
Yeah, man, y'all got what y'all came here for. Hopefully it amazed you guys just as much as it amazed us. We couldn't be happier with how it came out. Now we just gotta ride safe and make sure we don't fuck it up.
Exactly.
Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if there's anything that you guys want us to do, anything you guys want to see, anything you want to see more of, because sorry to tell you, but we got more car reviews on the way. And also sorry to tell you, but we got more install reviews for this man's bike right here. Yeah, sorry, fuck what you thought. Milk.
Make sure you guys share this video. Share the video. Share the video. Share it with your friends. Have your friends share it with their friends. Help us get to 300 subscribers. I think we're at 231 right now. So help us get to 300. And after we get to 300, help us get to 1,000, please. And make sure you watch all our older videos so that we can get to the allotted amount of watch time hours that we need in order for us to continue to make all these great videos that we make for you guys.
That's true.
Or else we're just gonna quit. Not like you care.
Yep. Oh man, listen, honestly man, we love doing these videos. We couldn't be happier to do these videos because we enjoy each other. We enjoy making each other laugh. But we also enjoy, you know, the response and the feedback that we get from you guys too. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe. There she is. Anything else you want to say? Yeah, we're done. You got what you asked for. You can get it because you asked for it. Bye.